Hello everyone, I'm Siddharth Dudeja from the EB15 batch, and this is our video presentation for the software engineering project. And here's how it goes. The title of the project is Workout Assistant. Have you ever thought that you should go to the gym, start working on your body? Many people do, and naturally you would too. So what's the first thing that goes to your mind? You visit the nearest gym. You go to the gym, and damn, there are too many people there working out, and you have no clue how to start, where to start. The first thing that comes to your mind is I should ask the trainer. He would obviously know everything. Although most gyms in India or worldwide, anyway, most gyms everywhere only have limited trainers, and each trainer has to manage a lot of people. So nobody would have the time to teach you every workout, every posture from scratch. So what happens next is you try to work out on your own by watching other people, and obviously something goes wrong. Consequently, you end up making the wrong moves and quit. It's not just you, it's a lot of people across the world, and we have a solution for that. The main goal of a project is to assist these people who do not have access to personal trainers to adjust the form and guide them on the correct posture of working out and taking the first step towards fitness. The actual problem that I want to explain is the first timers who are looking to become fit and work out often end up joining the gym. They don't have a clue what to do next for obvious reasons because they've never been to a gym. And consequently, with time, this increases the chances of quitting too soon or end up having social anxiety. Mental health is a real problem, and a lot of reasons can contribute towards it. Having the being in a room full of people working out and having no clue is a major cause, and it's something that everybody should realize. Hence, we aim to solve both these problems by teaching new users a set of exercises and the correct way to do them via a service that they can use quite conveniently. What is our service, you ask? I have an answer. So the only way that currently newcomers come to the workout scene can learn by relying on local trainers or via online guides. Both the scenarios, if you look at it from a wider perspective, aren't enough to correctly teach everyone impartially, and this might lead most new workout aspirants to become early quitters. Hence, if you join the gym uh, and have no idea, there's a good chance, there's a solid chance that you might leave. Hence, our project, which is a workout assistance app that records user movements, will give users a chance to exercise in the correct manner and perform successful workouts. Using motion detection, the users can perceive their mistakes and correct them without having to rely on a busy trainer or bothering someone else. Obviously, you can be self-reliant and work out in a perfect manner and don't have to depend on anyone. For the project, we have used Python, Flutter, MySQL, workstations, obviously, to work on and collaborative IDEs so that we can collaborate and work in an efficient manner. Further, I would like to hand a presentation to Aditya Niranjan, my teammate. Thank you, and that was me.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya and I will be continuing with the further presentation. So here I come with stakeholders. So first one is VC firm for providing the fund, and the next is PU faculties for always mentoring us, Bennett University alumni for providing the instructions and always there for guiding us, targeted audience, that is the end users, community team for always testing and providing the backend support, and we three, the team members, Siddharth, I, and Midul. Now carrying on with the next slide. So here comes the user. So the first one, that is developer, the one who is responsible for developing the app, the development team manager for designing the architecture for the app, different kind of layouts and everything. And next comes his higher management team, the management team that will focus on the business perspective of the project and how to supply to the targeted audience. The cloud team, the one which is responsible for hosting and connecting the databases and just storing the required amount of data. The testing team, which will be just testing the app on the back end and will be providing the continuous feedback and the improvements to be done. And the end user one, which will be just using the app. So now carrying on with the next slide. So here comes the user stories. So this is the first sprint table, and the stories which are completely accepted. So the first story is as a team manager, I want to enable paid registration so that I can register quickly and provide better facilities to the users. So obviously the team manager wants here to enable paid registration so that he can provide, I mean the app can provide better facilities to the user. And the second story is from the customer side, and he wants to register on the app so that he can access the facilities and track himself on the various exercise and just go on. And now we are going on the split table 2. So the split table 2 is from the manager side, and he wants to change the algorithm to better continuously change and just do the improvements on the algorithm so that he can provide better facilities to the user and provide better accurate and efficient output. And the second is from one is from the customer, so he want to just learn the right posture of the exercise so that he can just put, I mean he could get the right posture of the exercise, so he'll get the best results. And other one is also from the customer, just he want to enable his paid subscription so that he can get the other add-ons and the other facilities which are there the part of the subscription. So now I end here, and I'll be just passing the presentation to Mritul Sangvi. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ritul Sanghavi and I'll be carrying on with the video. Let's continue with the presentation. This here is the use case diagram of a project. It shows how the user, the manager, and the testing team interact with each other inside the project. Next up, we have the activity diagram. It shows how the login page and the home page are interconnected and the rest steps follow, and if the requirements are not met, then the error case happens. Here we have the sequence diagram of a project. It shows the inner working of the server, the database, and the processing system. And finally, this is the data architecture diagram. So this was our project. Thanks for watching.